In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change install location on Xbox app. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to manage the install location for any games or applications that you can acquire through the Xbox application. So by default, it is going to go on the C drive or whatever it is called if you renamed it. In order to change these install locations, go over to the Xbox app. Click on your profile at the top left, so if you are signed in, you will see your name and your icon here. I am not signed into an account, so I just have this option here, but the point is, click on your account, go over to Settings, and then select Install Options. Immediately upon going into Install Options, you will be able to find it here. So as you can see, change where this app installs games by default. So I have three drives on my computer, the C drive, S drive, and X drive, and I can choose any of these. You can change the specific folder, so if you click on this button here, you will be able to customize the specific folder that you want to use. So it is simple to do. You can create a new folder, for example, Xbox games. I know I have one already, but I'm doing this as an example. You can choose that folder, and now it is set accordingly. So it is super simple to do. There's no secret, and it will be changed immediately. So as soon as you choose any of the folders available in any drives on your PC, it will be used and you can manage it at once. So just open the Xbox application and you will be able to manage any of the folders that you want to use as the default install location. You can choose the option to create a desktop shortcut as well and enable updates, and everything will be managed through the specific drive and the specific folder that you choose. I hope I was able to help you on how to change the install location on the Xbox application on PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.